Hi there and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a bit of maintenance on the RS Twingo. This car's going in for its MOT, I think it's in June. And the windscreen wiper washers have stopped. Now, I've had this car 7 years and I've sort of gone through my records and I've replaced the washer pump 4 times since I've had the car, and it always seems to be before the MOT as well. It's like a couple of weeks before the MOT, oh, the washer wiper pump actually has stopped. So I've taken the pump out here, and this is the pump, and actually it does work, but there's been a problem. And I've actually also got a new one down there. It's not the pump that keeps on going wrong. I kept on blaming, Chinese crap, and there was a spate of Chinese parts that were just damn awful. But what I did was when I pulled the water out, and rather than just flush it onto the floor, it looks like I've done it, but I haven't. I actually put it into a pan, and what I saw in the pan was what I can only describe as debris. So yeah, I don't know whether you can see that. There's lots and lots of debris in this thing, and I think that's what's been basically causing the pump to fail. And I've never flushed out the washer fluid reservoir, so yeah. And it's also very, very blue, where I don't necessarily run a strong mixture. So I wonder whether something's gone bad in some fluid and it's created sediment in the bottom, and I've just been flushing it out. So yeah, that's what I'm basically doing. Jack, go in, go on, go in, good boy. He loves coming out. So I'm going to put the pump on. I've replaced this pump about 2 years ago, maybe a year ago. I think it's not that old. So I'm going to put this back in and see how it goes. I'm not going to put the new one in. I actually plugged this one in, and this is one of the, again, relatively cheap parts. I plugged that in and it didn't work. So yeah, but this one, after giving it a good tap on the floor and a flush out, is actually started working again. So I'm going to put the old one back in, send that one back, because it's just yeah. The amount of, literally, you go to Euro car parts and I've gone through 3 of them before I got a working one. So yeah. Anyway, so I've actually checked the voltages as well going in. It's all good. So there's nothing wrong with the electrics at all. So yeah, I'm just going to basically put it back underneath. It's a really weird design. You have to take the entire wheel out to get to the, and pull the wheel arch liner out to actually get to it. So yeah. So right, okay. I thought I'd just say, maybe if you're having problems with your washer pumps failing on a semi-regular basis, just flush out your windscreen washer fluid bottle, because it might have a load of sediment in the bottom. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.